Kodiak Krux 6.0 rechargeable dial work light is a compact, high-output light designed for demanding jobs, shop use, and everyday carry. Packed with pro features and simple controls, let's take a closer look. The package includes the Krux 6.0 work light and a USB-C charging cable. You should always give rechargeable products a full charge before first use. To charge, use the included USB-C cable. Charging to 100% takes approximately 2.5 hours. The Krux 6.0 is powered by a built-in 2500 mAh 3.7-volt lithium polymer battery and can be charged from any standard power source, such as computers, wall chargers, or power banks. The Krux 6.0 is made from aerospace-grade aluminum for durability in tough environments, measuring about 5¼ inches of length, 1¼ inches of width, and roughly 3/4 of an inch of depth. Weighing in at about 4.8 ounces, it's also 1 meter drop-tested and IPX4 water-resistant, making it ready for real-world work conditions. The light modes are controlled using the rotary mode selection dial with an OLED screen that shows your current mode and the remaining runtime of the current light mode at a glance. The dial smoothly rotates through the main lighting levels, starting with high at 2500 lumens with a 2-hour runtime and 135-meter light throw. Next is medium at 1000 lumens with a 3.5-hour runtime and 80-meter light throw, followed by low at 500 lumens with a 7-hour runtime and 55-meter light throw. For extended use, Eco Mode outputs 5 lumens and can run up to 140 hours with a 5-meter beam length. For quick bursts of maximum output, a secondary base button provides instant access to turbo, delivering up to 6,000 lumens for a 10-second runtime, and also includes a momentary strobe option without changing the dial mode you've selected. In turbo, beam distance reaches up to 180 meters. Built-in thermal protection helps manage heat by entering a cool-down state if the light gets too warm, protecting performance and internal components. The Kodiak Krux 6.0 is designed for flexible carry and hands-free positioning, featuring an integrated pocket clip on the base for secure carry and convenient placement on clothing or gear. With its powerful output, smart runtime display, rugged aluminum construction, and streamlined dial control, the Krux 6.0 is an ideal choice for job sites, shop work, everyday carry, and anywhere you need dependable light, fast.